Elaine. I'm a community worker with a passion for nutrition and delicious food. I'm here today with my daughters Audrey and Carolyn, and we're going to show you how to make a pasta puttanesca. Pasta puttanesca is a great weeknight meal. It comes together very quickly, and you can change it up based on what you might find in your fridge or in your cupboard. You guys ready to start cooking?
Yep.
Here's your paper towel so your cutting board's not slippery.
Yep.
And then I guess my advice is just wash your vegetables and your hands.
We are going to start with heating the oil over medium heat, about a tablespoon. Add garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Don't you guys love the smell of garlic?
Oh, I certainly do.
We are also going to boil some water to get our whole grain pasta started. Use the directions on your package to cook your pasta. We found a local zucchini, some green onions, and baby spinach in our fridge that we would like to use so they don't get wasted.
Now I'm just gonna do a rough chop.
These aren't in the recipe, but you can always add vegetables you have on hand. We like to make vegetables about half the plate so we get a lot of important vitamins and minerals.
So that means adding extra to the pasta or having some fresh, frozen, or canned on the side.
Frozen peas and broccoli are great to toss into pastas, salads, casseroles, and soups.
To add a deeper flavor to your sauce, you can add whole anchovies or anchovy paste.
If you're up for it.
Cook until fragrant, another minute.
It smells really good.
Now we're just gonna add the mushrooms.
So the only reason that we're wearing gloves is because we have nail polish on, but when you're at home, you don't have to use gloves. You just have to wash your hands.
Add canned tomatoes. If you have fresh or cherried tomatoes, you can use these too. And the broccoli. Add olives and capers. Capers are picked flower buds from the Mediterranean.
And red pepper flakes and drained tuna. We are using light skipjack tuna, which we like to have on hand in our pantry.
You can also use salmon, leftover chicken, chickpeas, or a can of rinsed lentils.
So we just wanted to wait to add the spinach till the end because it wilts pretty fast.
It's good to test taste your pasta to make sure it's cooked to your liking.
I think it's good.
We are going to toss the cooked noodles into the pan.
So just make sure you have like a little cloth or something so you don't burn your hands. Ooh, hot.
And she's pouring it away from her so that she doesn't risk pouring the hot water onto herself.
And drain your water a little slower so it doesn't all
Splash up into your face.
There we go. Pasta. And then we're just going to turn off the heat. Seems like there's not enough room in the pan to add all the pasta.
So I'm just going to put it into the pot.
Watch out, Audrey. Is it okay if I add the parsley?
Yep.
What about the Parmesan?
Yep, go ahead.
How's it going in here, guys?
Good.
Oh my goodness.
We just taste tested it.
Looks delicious. Smells delicious.
It is delicious.
It is, yeah, that's awesome. So do you guys want to sit down and I'll serve this up to you?
Sure. Can you get me some water too, please?
Me too.
Thanks.
We
hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Eat well, live well.